Ryan, you there, Ryan? You got any questions for me? No, so I go through with mine. Okay, here we go. Sorry, this is not the one. Okay, can we try this? This is something like what we did. Yeah, I do not know whether we have done this the other day. But not, I think not this one, not this book. You try question number. Have you done this question one? Not yet, right? No. Okay. You try. You must let x be something lah. So you got to choose x is going to be what? And you tell me what's the equation. You don't solve yet. We go through the equation to see whether you can get the equation right.
Divided by 3.
297 divided by 3. Again, repeat. What?
297
equal
297 divided by 3 equals
297. Okay, so now you are okay. If you do like that, you get somewhat around the answer, but you don't get the exact one. So you need to start like this. And let x be there are 3 numbers, right? Consecutive means let's say 7, 8, 9. So let it x be the smallest number lah. So you write smallest number here. So the next number will be what? The next, let's say 8. The next number is 9, right? So you have to plus 1. So the numbers are x. Then the next one is x plus 1. Remember that? Then the next one is x plus 2. These are the 3 numbers. So because if this is x, this 8, next one is 9, right? 8 plus 1, 9. Then 8 plus 2, 10. Can you see that? Now this one, you must add all 3 of them is equal to 297. That means you must plus down here. Plus down here. You get it? So, okay. Can you just try very quickly? So x is the smallest number lah. Then you try. Can, huh? What do you get for x?
I get 99.
99, you take 297 divided by 3, you get 99. This one, you get x plus x plus x, 3x plus 3 equals to 297, you know. So down here, you get 3x plus 3 equals to 297. Correct, right? Because you plus on the x. Then what you do next step, you minus the, you bring over lah. So you minus the 3, become 294 is 3x. You divide, you'll get x equals to 98. What is x? Is the smallest one, 98. What's the next number? 99. X plus 1 is 99. What's the next number? 100. You get it? Okay. So now be careful on the next one. Okay, I want you to do next one, but next one is consecutive even numbers. Like example 2, 4, 6. So you let x be the smallest number, but the next number will be what? It cannot be x plus 1. It's going to be x plus 2, because from 2 to 4, there's a difference of 2. You must plus 2. Then from the next one, you have to plus another 2. So x plus 4. Okay, this will be your, so you down here you say let x be the smallest number lah, even number. Because these are even, no, this one is not even, this is like 7, 98, 99, 100, 1, 1, plus 1, plus 1. You know what I mean, eh?
Yeah, sorry, what's even number?
Even 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All those ending, the number ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 0. So all those numbers ending with this. So the difference is always 2. Let's say now 98. In the next one will be you plus 2 and 100. Next one 102. Because if you plus 1, you get 99. 99 not even. You must end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Are you okay, Ryan? Is there school nowadays? Or no more? There's still school.
Got.
Okay, maybe school might be stopped soon. I think.
You said 206.
Okay. 206. Do you divide by 3 straight?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can't do divide by 3. You see, just now if you divide, you get 99, right? 99 is the center number. You're going to get the center number here. So that center number is 206. Actually, there's going to be a 204 and 208. But I'm going to show you how to get the answer. So you let x be the smallest number. So now they say the sum is 618, right? 618 is equals to what? Is equal to the 3 numbers plus together. What are 3 numbers? X. What's the next number? X plus 2. What's the next number? X plus 4. So you must be able to see, first of all, do you understand this part? No. Okay, so now we go to the board. Okay, so now let's say now here, this is the number. We don't know what this number lah. This is the number. We call it X lah. Okay. Now, if they say consecutive even, means is these are the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It goes on until infinite. We do not know what number it is. The smallest number can be 10. We don't know. But they tell us that 3 numbers add up to 618, right? So the next number must be X plus 2. Because between 2 even numbers, consecutive, let's say 10, the next one is 12, the difference is 2. And then what about 10 and the next one? The difference on here is 4. You just plus 2 lah. 2 plus 2, 4. The next one will be 6, 8. So if there's 3 numbers, this is going to be it, like that. This is going to be the next number lah. First number smallest only x. Next one x plus 2. Next one x plus 2 plus 2, x plus 4 lah. This whole thing is 618. So step 1, you must minus this off first. Because it's x, 2x, 3x, 3x, 2 plus 4, 6. It equals to 618. Now we bring 6 over there lah. 618 minus 6, 3x. So this is 612. 3x equals to 612, x equals to 612 divided by 3, you get 204. So this is 204. This one must plus 2, so 206. Plus 4, 208. Okay, we try the next one again. This one, normally they come up for exam questions this type. So you got to get familiar lah. So let's see now. Do we have a similar one? Hold on. We try. Number, is there a number? Okay, because this algebra is quite powerful in the sense that you can give. Okay, never mind. We try this one, number 3 now. You let x be the smallest number. So normally what you must write in your algebra, the thing is this. Always almost always, let x be something. You must always write something. So in this case, I write smaller number. If there's 2 numbers, smaller number lah. So if you say this is a smaller number, what's the bigger number? So you tell me what's the bigger number now. We go step by step. Number 3 now. If let's say x is a smaller number, what is the bigger number? Your clue is here. This is your clue now. The bigger number will be? So, I mean, sorry?
290.
290. 290, okay. But this is the sum of the 2 numbers, you know. This is not the smaller number. If they say smaller, so we do not know the number. We use x. X is a smaller number. Bigger number must be, so down here, okay. The difference they say is 12. So let's say I draw this one. One is x. The other one must be 12 more. Because the difference is 12. So smaller number is x, bigger number x plus 12. Then you add both of these to solve. So you try to solve now. Can you solve it? Number 3. The sum of the 2 numbers. You already know x and x plus 12, they are the 2 numbers. So what is the value of x? Can or not? Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so we look at the, they say the sum of the two numbers is 278. So the sum is this plus this number is 278. So how to do? You add x plus, so one number is x, right? The smaller number. The bigger number is x plus 12. So we plus x plus 12. They say the sum means you add both of them together is 278, right? Like that. So you bring the 12 over lah. You get 2x equals to 278 minus 12. Okay. 2x equals to 266. X equals 133 lah. So x is a smaller number. The bigger number you must plus 12, okay? You don't plus 2 down here. So the bigger number is 133 plus 12 is equals to 145. These are your two numbers lah. So which part you find confusing? You must tell me now. Let's say, hey, what am I talking about? X. You must tell me straight, Ryan. Don't be shy lah.
Like the first part.
The first part. Okay. So the first part now is how to find, right? So this is algebra. Algebra means we use letter to represent something. Because we don't know what it is, we can make the letter be the unknown. That means I do not know what the number is. I let x be the number. And then because algebra, you can do it like that, you can find out. I let x be the number, the bigger number is x plus 12 because the difference is 12. I put it inside equation like that, I can solve. So that is the beauty of algebra. You can let x, y, z be what you want to find. Normally, what you want to make x to be the thing is the what you want to find actually. Normally. So we try. We try now. Let's say now this one now. They say find the number. Find the smaller, can you see? Find the smaller number. Find the smaller number. Find the smaller number. So I let the smaller number be x lah. Down here, find the number. I let the number be x. So now you try to form an equation. There's an equation down here. You can see which one is the word equal. Guess which word is equal in this sentence.
The
Which one? The number becomes the word here lah. This is the group. So you know this is equal down here. So you can write equal down here 115. You need to write the other part of the equation. That's all. But this number, what do you let it be? You let the number be x. But see, the question doesn't say that. Yes, algebra means you can let it x, y, whatever lah. So now you see when x is multiplied by 7 and 11 subtracted from the result, the answer is 115. Can you write down what is? Okay, we go step by step, okay? We take this first part. Okay, what is the answer? X multiplied by 7.
115 divided by 7.
115 divided by 7, okay. Times, okay. We don't look at all this first. We don't look at all this. We don't look at all this first. We are now going to just look at this one now. When x is multiplied by 7, so what is it?
Right.
7x. Okay, so this is your answer right now. I'm going to go to the next one. Oh, sorry. Okay, 7x, right? And then 11 subtracted from the result. You subtract 11 from here. So what do I do?
11x minus by 11. 7x minus by 11.
11. And the answer is 115. That's your equation. Don't need to solve. What you're going to do, we're going to practice. We're going to practice coming up with this because this is also quite a challenge to come up with. Solving it, you know how to do it, right? You know how to bring. So we don't do solving, okay? We try to come up with the. Okay, let's try. Let's see now. Down here now, you let x be the number. Okay. Down here, which one? Can you tell me is going to be equal to what? What number is it going to be equal to? based on this sentence here.
Close to
Down, you see down here, first one equal 115. There's not equal is
negative 62.
Yes. Okay. So now we got to fill in this part lah, Ryan. So now the number is what? X, correct? So you tell me now. We just look at this one only. Multiply X by 3. What's the answer?
3x
Add 22 to it.
minus 20.
Plus 22 lah. Add. Correct, yeah? Now, subtract the outcome from half the original number. Okay. So now this is the outcome. They want you to subtract minus half the original number. The original number is X. What is half the number? Half of X. Half of X. Minus. This is your equation. You think you can do it like that? Okay, we try. We will go because the challenge is here. This is where the challenge is. I'm going to. Let us see. Is there a number one? Okay. So now we imagine one of them. We take one of them lah. Let's say you let the younger one. Who's younger? Nelson or Danny? Which one? Danny, yeah. So let this be Danny's age. What Danny's age? Let X be Danny's age. Okay, so now, okay, if Danny is X, Nelson is how many? Sorry?
Plus 3.
Times down here. So it's 3 times X, 3X. Plus X is different, it's 3 times X. So now, what is Danny's age in 4 years' time? Now Danny's age is X. 4 years' time will be? Plus 4. Okay, good. Then Nelson's age also? Plus 4. So now you got Nelson's and Danny's age in 4 years' time. Okay, now you can form the equation. They say Nelson's will be twice as old as Danny. So Nelson's age, what is Nelson's age in 4 years' time? I did it right for you here. 3x plus 4. Is going to be equal to twice of Danny's age. Twice means 2 times 2. What is Danny's age?
4. X plus 4.
X plus 4. So this is your equation. Don't solve. This is what you need to come up with now. If you cannot come up with this, how are you going to solve? You cannot solve. So the practice now is we're going to practice coming out with this. Okay, it's a little bit tough lah, but it's okay. Hold on, you'll get used to it. You'll get used to it. Let me try this one. Hold on. I will also get. Okay, you try. This one. This one you don't need to find X. Question number 10. Can you try question number 10? You don't need to find X. X is already, they use X already. You try question 10 while I check for another worksheet. Can you see the screen? Can see, Yes, Don't solve, you tell me the equation. Have you gotten the equation? Okay, what's your equation? You can tell me, or you wanna show me, so no problem.
But this is 4x plus by 4.
4x plus by 4.
Wow.
Plus 4, is it?
Yeah.
And then? So far, this is what you gotten.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Natalie is 4x years old. Okay, good. But 4 years ago means you must minus 4, no? If you want to find Natalie's age 4 years ago, you must minus 4 lah. Okay, down here because 4 years ago. So hold on. Now Mandy's age is 3 years older. So okay, we go step by step. Okay, we go down here now. Natalie's age is 4x. Hold on. Okay, Natalie's age is 4x. Now her sister Mandy is 3 years older. So it will be 4x plus 3. This part, are you okay? Now, this is now, This is now. We look at now 4 years ago. 4 years ago, we need to minus 4. So you tell me now for Natalie is, I've done for you, right? I told you this one is 4x minus 4. 4 years ago. What about Mandy? Mandy's age is 4x plus 3. You have to minus 4 also lah. See, 4x plus 3, and then you minus 4. What do you get? You get 4x. You have $3, you owe $4, you still owe $1. This is Mandy's age 4 years ago. This is Natalie's age 4 years ago. So their total age, so you plus these two lah. How to plus? I show you now. 4x minus 4 plus 4x minus 1 is equals to 51. This is the equation you're supposed to get. Natalie's age plus Mandy's age 4 years ago equals to 51. Is it tough? Very tough. Not so tough. Okay.
Just that I'm tired.
You're tired. Okay.
I just
Maybe.
came here from tutorial.
Oh, tutorial. Okay, no problem, no problem. That's why you look a little bit distracted. I tell you what. Why not we okay, we're going to finish half an hour. Maybe we do the next half an hour another time.
Let's carry on.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, because you look tired lah. So you look distracted. So I do not know. Are you going to the mine or not? You think you can? Or you are scared your parents calling you? Okay. All right. Okay. Because maths is about, this is about thinking, you see. Okay. Now we come back to this one. Okay. You try this one. Three integers, this one is not odd even. It's one after another. You plus one. So you let x be something, something, something. You have to tutorial, you say that. You call it tutorial?
Math tutorial. Is it answer 46?
46. Congratulations. That is for the smallest number. Right? So the other two numbers are, because they ask you to find all three numbers. So the other two numbers are hold on. 46 you just divide, hold on. You just divide by 3. Okay. So okay, you got the middle number. You got the number. So you got to do it this way. You got to do it this way. Okay. So now you follow my style. Okay. You follow this style. Okay. This is the style you need to use right in Sec 3, Sec 4. Let x be the smallest integer, smallest number. Integer means whole number. Integer means whole number that can be negative, can be positive, can also be zero. Smallest integer. So now, because there are three numbers, you must tell what are the three numbers. So these are the three numbers lah. The three numbers are what are the three numbers? One is x. What's the next one? X plus 1. Why? Because consecutive, one after another one. 5, 6, 7, you plus 1. Then the next one, you must plus 2. So x plus 1, x plus 2. These three numbers, when you add up, you get 138. So I form an equation. What's the equation? 138 equals to 138. What is it? X plus 1 plus x plus 2 lah. X plus 2. So you will get 3x plus 3 is equals to 138. Okay. So 3x equals to 138 minus 3. You get 135 lah. So this thing now, when you get x is going to be 45. So what is x? You see, the smallest number is x. It's 45. What's the next number? Plus 1, 46. What's the number of that? Plus 2, 47. Can see it? Okay, now you try the next one. The next one now is not just 3 consecutive, it's odd, odd numbers, you know. So odd numbers is like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The difference is what? Is always 2, you know. So your next number, first x is the smallest number. The next number is x plus 2, then x plus 4. Okay, you try. Yeah. The next one, let me shift it up.
teacher,
Mm.
I just remembered there is like two questions of math homework.
Okay. You can take a photo of it. You send already, Ryan. Right, Ryan, you send.
Yeah,
Okay. So we move to this one first or how?
I can try do first, then you check.
Okay, can. You must remember to change the times, then do a flip, eh? How you wanna okay, you're sending me, yeah? Okay. 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 So I'm gonna thanks. Okay. First of all, you can see your own work, right? Can see, yeah? Okay. So let us see. Do you do the flip correctly? Yes, 2s squared, 5c, the thing. But this 4 is actually not a big 4, you know. It's a bit a small 4 here. Why I worry? Because I'm scared of. Okay, let us see. Let's see whether you get it. All right, now down here, let's see. You have C, so C2, C2, okay, so it's correct on here, 5C2, all right. And then 1 and 4, okay. And then you have A2, on top was A2, okay, correct, well done. And the 5, hold on. You flip it out, 15, right? 15, this one you divide by 5, you get 1.
No, I did wrong.
Then you get 3, down here.
I did wrong.
Okay, you try. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna choose. Is this the one? Right? Correct, right? Okay, so this is the next step lah. You cancel the C, okay, you get C2. All right, C2, okay, good. And then, okay, just let me use the, so A2, okay, got 1 A2, so become 4, correct. Since A2, right? 4 A2, all right. So become C2. This, you see, this one is 15 divided by 5, So you get 1 on here, this one get 3. 3. Almost there, right? All of you are tired lah today. So you get 3 down here. A4 is gone, right? Sorry. Hold on now.
First one. It's now equal.
15, yeah. So 3. So this one, how to write? Is 4a squared c squared. You got to follow alphabetically. So 3 over 4a squared c squared. Okay. So this should be your answer. Let me see. I just double check in. Yeah. So 5, 8, 40, 40. Yeah, correct. 10. Okay. All right. So we move on to the next one. This one, okay? You okay, right? You understand, And next time, if you are tired, it's okay. Just be frank with me, Ryan. If let's say you, like yesterday, I said, no, you say, Alma, you got class, you just tell me, lah. The putting, right, you are quite tired, see, and then this is maths, it's a lot of thinking, lah. Okay, have you done this one already? Yeah, you have to flip, lah. You ready? Oh, you send, okay. You send a photo. Oh, no, let me check. Okay. So you can see the screen, eh? Okay. Let's see. You do the flip, correct? Okay, well done. Well done. Now this one how to do? Okay, this one you cannot cancel in between. You got to factorize. Factorize this one. Can you take out a number? Remember not? You got to take out a number. Put the number outside. Can you tell me what number can both of them be divided by?
3.
Not 3, 2.
2, 2, 2.
So you cannot divide by 3. So 2. So you get 3m minus n. Now you can see now this one. You can cancel the whole thing with this. Palm. Palm. So what you're left with? You're only you fluke you got the same answer, but fluke this method down here is not correct, but it's fluke. Oh, it means you wait, hold on. Yeah, you down this part because this part is not correct. It's just that you got the same answer at the end. You must factorize first. If you want to divide, because you are supposed to divide at 3m minus n, you got to cancel it out, You cannot, okay, you must remember, let's say 2 plus 4 divided by 3. 2 plus 4, is 6, right? 6 divided by 3 is 2. Sorry, wrong. Let's say I put like that. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? Let's say now you go and cancel like that. Then your answer is 5. So this one will be wrong, you see. You must factorize first. So this one, how to factorize? I show you, let's say, use the method. You put the 2 outside. Let's say we don't plus together. 1 plus 2. Then we can cancel. Your answer is 1 plus 2 is 3. This is correct. Okay, so not bad lah, not bad. But you're tired lah, Ryan. Next time you don't force yourself lah, because I can see you're struggling. That means you're quite a nice guy lah. Right? Is it true? Not true. Okay, I do not know. Okay. Anyway, here we go. We move on to. You got any other questions? No. So we move on to this one again. Hold on. This one we have done, right? Okay, sorry. Let me see. This one now. Can you write the equation down first? You write the equation down. Don't need to let x be whatever. They already tell you down here. X is the price of share. You see how they write it is how I tell you to write it, right? Let the price of something be x. Let the number be x. Something like that. Once you get the equation, you tell me, okay? Can get equation or not? Okay. You try, lah. Try. Once you got the equation, you tell me.
Cannot.
Okay, you got it.
No,
Do you send me or you don't know?
no, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. All right, we are going to go through now. So now, let us establish how many items are there. Lah. There's one chair. There's one dining table. Only two items only. There's only two items. Huh? So, okay. So we know the chair is X. Then they tell us that the price of the dining table compared to the chair is 3 times the price of the chair plus 320. So the dining table is how much? 3 times X is how much? 3X. And then it's more. Some are more than the 3 times, no. Plus 320. This is the price of the dining table. You see, again, the price of a chair is X. Now they say the price of the dining table is 320 more. So I need to plus 320 plus to what? Plus to the 3 times of the price of a chair. 3 times of the chair. X is the price of the chair. 3 times is 3X. So this is now the dining table price. Are you okay? And then they tell you, find an expression. Okay, we already done number 1 because this is the answer. Then they tell you now, he pays 860 for one dining table, 6 chairs. One chair is X. 6 chairs is 6 times X is 6X. So you take 860 is down here. 6 chairs, 6X. One dining table is this one, plus 3X plus 320. Okay? You try to solve this and find out what's X, can. You try to solve this, yeah? You see, can you do it?
Is the answer 131.11?
Okay, 131.11. Okay, so you check whether you check through whether you got the same one. Okay, you get 9X here, correct? 860 minus 320. You got that?
Plus.
So you get, you plus. Down here now plus, you must bring over with a minus. Okay, so you get 860 minus the thing, you get 540 lah. And then when you divide, you get 9 6 sorry. divided by 9, 60. X is $60. 540 divided by 9 is 60. So now you have already, this is the equation down here. This one or this one is the equation for number 2. And then we solve, we found now the price of a chair. But they didn't ask for a price of a chair, price of a dining table. So can you find out if the chair is 60, how much is the dining table? 3x plus 320, how much is it? You got to find out. Can you find out? 3x plus 320. We want it to be in dollars now. We know x is 60, yeah? So now can you find out this one? Your last question. Can x is 60.
So I know which one the
This
last
is
question.
3x plus the last question, this one now.
Okay.
The equation is 3x plus 320. You x is 60, you know. So can you find what's the answer?
One 19200.
19200. Okay, you times 60 not? 3x3 times 60, how much you get? 180
I never do that. I just take
there.
320 times by 60.
Cannot times 60 lah. Down here, see the equation. You are too tired already. You got to put in the value. Remember not substitution.
Times by.
You got to put in. Hold on.
The answer
60 right? Times
57600.
by 60. 5 is too big lah. 576 to 57,000 no. So you 3 times 60 is 180. 180 plus 320 lah. You will get $500.
Yeah, 500.
You cannot. You're too tired lah. Okay, next time you're tired, you don't think. Okay, never mind. If we miss that day, we'll break up another day. Okay, don't force yourself. Don't want to disappoint me. That thing, it's okay lah. Okay, certain days I ask you cannot. You just say, I got something on. I won't blame you. Okay, Ryan.
Okay.
So you look a little bit tired. You feel like killing someone. Is it true? I'm just joking. Okay, you take care of yourself. Any other questions? You don't need to wait for tuition time now. You can just see I have students now sending me questions anytime you want to ask, because the best way for you to improve is to ask questions when you try and you don't know lah. Okay, Ryan? Okay, see you. Take care. See you on Sunday. Bye-bye.